Here's the Hampton Bay Landmark fan. I put this up a couple days ago. Kind of like it. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, here's high. It's a really good air mover. We'll go to medium. It's a pretty powerful fan for what it is. I really like it. And we'll go to low. I actually got this from Nate sometime last year. We'll do reverse. Here's high on updraft. It's a pretty good fan. I quite like it. For Hampton Bay, it's probably one of their earlier fans. I think this is from '97 or something like that. I did have to replace the blade brackets because one of them was bent, and I figured I'd just replace them all when I bought the set at Menards for it. And it works pretty nice. I like the GE vents. This is probably going to stay up until I find something I like better, but I quite like it. It was like the last ceiling fan I had to test, so it's going to stay here. For a while anyway. Probably until Fanimation comes around. It's got a nice low speed. I'll turn that back off. Not a bad fan. It's another one of those flush mount fans. Oh, there you go. There's the Hampton Bay Landmark. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.